Reason uno. One.
I fell in love with Honduras from the very first time that I landed in Honduras for a visit. There's something just about the tropics, the sun, the heat. I think as a Canadian, we all try to escape winter. So the weather here is just fantastic. I love it. And one of the things too that I think when you think of moving to a tropical country is the fact that I wouldn't have to live the long, long winters from Canada. And that, in my book, is a perk. So if you're someone that's interested in coming to visit Honduras or move to Honduras and you have questions, let it be about the country, about the people, about the paperwork, anything like that, definitely leave us comments or questions. I will be reviewing each and every one of them and answering them.
Subscribe for more of Honduras.